Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Code for Kids. How are you all? How was your day? I hope you're enjoying your day. So, this is our fourth video in this series. So, today we are going to be create a very exciting project. We can say this is very good project. So, this is one game which is called as ping pong game. I th- Okay, so let's start this game first. Let me show you the result. Like when you will run it, what result you will get. Just a moment. Let me just share the sound as well so that you will get the sound. Let me run it. So you have to follow the mouse. So we have a green color paddle. If ball will touch to this green color, you will get a score as well. And see, if ball will touch to the red paddle, your score will decrease. Even your game will over. And if your ball will touch to this green color paddle, you will get a very good scores, we can say. Your score will increase with one. So this is our today's class project. So let's start this game. How we will start it? So as you know, in the previous videos also I explained you this. You have to just open your Google Chrome. Here you have to search for Scratch. The first link itself is scratch.mit.edu. Even if you want, I will give you the link in the description box. Directly once you will click on it, you will get your like this screen. Over here, you have to just click on create a project. Okay. So for this project, we will require several sprites. So total there are three sprites that we want. One is like we want the ball. The second one, we want the green color paddle, and third one, we want that red line, and we want one backdrop. So first, add your backdrop. Okay. So in our project, we added this one. If you want the same, you have to add a same backdrop. Otherwise, you can change it. So suppose we added our backdrop. Let's add the sprite. So you have to just search for ball. Suppose I wanted to add this ball. Okay. After adding this ball, we need to add one line. So once you will search for the line, you will get it. So you have to add this line here. And then we need to add our green paddle. So this is your paddle. Okay. So all these three sprite that we want for our project that is here, as you can see, we need to add a ball. We need to add this line. We need to add the paddle. So there total we have a three sprite that we added here. Okay. So if you have any question like how to add the sprite, how to add the backdrop, so you can watch our first video in this series, because in that video I explained you about how to add the backdrops and sprite. Okay. So let's start our code. So the code is very simple. For this game, what we want, the ball we want to move on your stage area. So how the ball will move, that we will start first. So always whenever you want to start the code, you have to first click on that sprite where you want to add the code. Okay. So first we want to add the code in ball. So we have to select a ball. Now always you have to start with events. I explained to you in second or third video. You have to just check. Yes, in the second video, in the fish aquarium project, it means you have to first start with event. Event is something like we need to perform some action. So our first event is when we will click on flag, so that we want our result. So you have to just drag and drop when flag is clicked. So we want the ball to be here or anywhere. What will be your starting position? You have to put that ball so that you will get your x-axis which is here, y-axis which is here. So you have to just use your go to x and y. It means whenever you will run the project, suppose if I will take my ball here also, if I will run, your ball will here. It means this is the fixed position from where we want to start the ball movement. Okay. After that, what direction we want, like whenever we want to run the project, suppose you want 90 degrees, so 90 degrees like this one, left direction. If you want the down direction, you can add 180. If you want the left, so you can add minus 90. Okay. If you want any direction, that's your choice. Suppose I want this direction whenever I will run the project. I want this direction like 45 degree for my ball, so you can add it. Okay. Now what we want, the next part, when I will click on flag, I want to move the ball. Where we want to move the ball? Inside your stage area, anywhere inside your stage area. So that we want again and again. So even I explained you, if you want anything again and again, so you have to add the forever. So in the forever, we need to move the 10th step. If there will be edge collide, so we need to return it back. See, when you will run, wow, it's working fine. See, my ball is moving, and whenever there will be edge, so ball is returned back. Okay, this is our first step that we did in the ball. Okay, the next step what we want, when flag is click. Okay, so again we want to add when flag is click in the forever. So now we want the variable. Variable is like we have to add the score. Even the same thing we did in our previous project, if you remember. Okay, like fruit collector game. I will give you link in the description box, so you can do that project also. Okay. So you have to just press on OK because we want to set the score also. So when flag is clicked in the forever, what we want now, if ball will touch to this green color, okay, or if ball will touch to this red color, so we need to decrease the point. So first we will do for the red color. Okay. So in the forever, what we are going to do, we will add one condition. If, okay, where you will get the touching color part, in the sensing, as you can see, we have it. You have to add. But now instead of red, how you will get the green color? So as you can see, you need to just click on this green color and click on this pencil option. Again, let me show you. Click on this green color, click on this pencil option. It will ask you which color you want. You have to pick. Suppose I want red color, so it will change here. Okay. So when it will touch to this red color, we need to change the score with -1. Okay, it means we need to decrease the score. You have to select score from here. Instead of 1, you need to write -1. Okay. So it means when ball touch to this red color, we have to change this score with -1, and we can start one sound, like you can start the sound of pop or any other sound also you can add. So let me show you this now. See, when ball will touch to the red color, as you can see the score, you will get a decreased score. Okay. So this is the next part that we did for the ball. Now we have to add one more thing. A ball will touch to this green paddle, so we need to increase the score. That's our next part. So how we will add it? When flag is click, okay. Initially we want to set the score to 0. As you can see, the now score is -16. Even once you will start, again you will get this score only. So always what we want, when I will run the project, so initially we want the score start with 0. So we need to go to the variable. We will set the score 0. Like whenever you will run the project, see, always you will get the score starting with 0. Okay. After that, what we are going to do in the forever. Again, we need to check, okay, if ball will touch to this paddle. So where is that? In the sensing, you have to first take your if condition, because we have it is same like this one, whatever we did for the touching color. So if your ball will touch to this green paddle, okay, so if ball will touch to the paddle, so if you want, you can change the color effect of the ball. So let's go to the look where you have a change color. Yes, see, this is your change color effect, okay? See, now you are getting a different color, okay? That you need to add here. Then, if you want, you can take a turn of the ball also, so that we will get in the motion. Suppose I want to take this turn. Let me show you. See, you are getting a different color and your ball is also turning. Okay? After this, what we can do, after waiting some seconds, suppose you want to wait for 1 second and then you want to change your score with 1. Why we want to add a positive value? Because a ball will touch to the green paddle, we have to change the score value with 1. Okay, now see what will happen. Your score is starting with 0. When ball is touching this green paddle, so you are able to change the score with positive value. This is the first part that we did here, okay? So this is all about your ball. What we did, when flag is clicked, we want one fixed position for the ball. This is our point in direction, like a what degree you want for the ball. And always we want to move the ball when there will be any edge, okay, we have to return back. The second part we did, when flag is clicked, if we will touch to this red color, we have to change a score with -1. When flag is clicked, we have to set the score with 0. If we will touch to the paddle, we need to change a color effect with 25 or any other values you can add. So this is the entire part of the ball. Okay. After that, we are going to start the paddle. Now paddle is something like, it will just follow my mouse. Only this logic you have to add. So when flag is clicked in the forever, what we are going to do, it will follow my mouse. So that mouse part you will get in the motion. Where is that? Let me show you. It will just, you need to just take this go to random position. Instead of random, it will follow your mouse. Let me show you. See, now it is following my mouse. Okay. Understood? So this is the first part that we did in the paddle. After that, we will see the next part in the paddle. When flag is clicked, suppose you want to play this game for 60 second or 120 second, that also we need to add. So when flag is clicked, we have to go to the control. We will just wait for example, I want to play this game just for 60 second, and then we have to broadcast one message. So what we are going to broadcast, let me show you that. We will broadcast one message one, which is like, I want to just play this game for 60 seconds, and once any other sprite will receive the message one, we have to stop everything. So this is the only part that we need to do in the paddle, okay? Let's see the third one, okay? So what is the third one, which is line? It's also very simple. So line is something like what we are going to add here. When I will click on the flag, if line will touch to this ball, we have to stop the game. This is the part that we are going to do in the mouse, like in this line. Let me show you. You have to again go to the event. When flag is clicked in the forever, always if you want anything again and again, so just add forever. Then in the forever we will add one condition. If line will touch to the ball, where you will get a touching part, yes, that you will get in the sensing. So let's select ball. If line will touch to the ball, we have to stop all the thing. Okay. What we are going to do, we will stop all the things. So how we will stop all the thing? You have to just go to the control. You have to just go to the control. Over here, once you will little bit scroll down, you will get stop all. Let me add it properly. So you have this stop all. So now see, once you will run the project, what you will get the result. Yeah, see. Once your ball will touch to this red one, your game will stop. So as you can see, okay. So in this way, you can create a ping pong game. Okay. Try to create this project and just share your project link with me. How you will share? Just copy it, share in the chat, like in your comment section, you can add it. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon if you want more latest update. Just add all these part in this project. Okay. So thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.